Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and today I'm going to be doing the review of the Jio Fiber Hybrid set-top box for your television. So this is basically a set-top box which is here to replace your traditional cable TV. The original price of this is actually around 4,000 rupees, but for existing Jio Fiber broadband users, the offer was going on for 1,000 rupees, and hence I bought this. Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box is a one-stop entertainment solution which includes all the OTT services in India as well as our traditional cable TV channels with the help of the Jio TV Plus application. Inside the box, you actually get the Jio Fiber Set-Top Box, the power adapter, we get the remote itself, and also we have the RJ45 cable to connect the set-top box using the Ethernet if you want. We also have the HDMI cable, which is the main source of connection between the set-top box and your television. And behind the set-top box, these are the important ports that is present. We have the normal power input port, which you need to connect the power cord and put it to your normal plug points, and we have the two USB ports, and we have the Ethernet port or the LAN port, we have one HDMI port, and also we have the cable in port at the right end that you are seeing here. Actually, Jio has not collaborated with our local TV operators to provide the cable services yet. And as you guys can see, this is how it looks behind our TV, where there are HDMI ports, and in my case I have actually connected the Jio Hybrid set-top box to the HDMI 3 port. Hence I need to be using the remote of the television to navigate to HDMI 3 input to connect to the Jio Hybrid set-top box. Now, this is the user manual or instruction guide which will actually help you to set up the Jio set-top box. This is not something that you need to throw away, guys. This is very helpful to install the Jio set-top box for the first time. The initial connection takes 5 to 10 minutes, so I will show you guys in detail how to do that. Initially, when you turn on the Jio set-top box, you have to actually connect your remote to your television. Just press on any button on the remote for at least 10 seconds and the TV will actually recognize our remote and it will connect to the television. As you can see, it says Jio BLE remote. Now you have to press the OK button on the remote to make sure the connection has been successful. There is an application called Jio Home that is provided for both the Android and iOS applications that is actually helpful for you to make sure that you use your smartphone as your remote. As you can see, it will help you to control your set-top box. It will help you to connect your Wi-Fi and make sure that you can change your channels just by your mobile phone. You have to use your Bluetooth to connect to your television like this. As you can see, it says connecting the Jio set-top box, and it will actually take a couple of minutes of time for your smartphone to connect to your Jio set-top box. As you can see, it says Jio Hybrid set-top box and click on Let's Start. And using the smartphone application itself, you can actually navigate your set-top box, which is really cool. And entering the Wi-Fi passwords is really easy on your smartphones. Jio Hybrid set-top box supports both the 2.4 GHz internet band and also the 5 GHz internet band. If you have a 5 GHz internet at your house, just make sure that you connect to that so that you will have extremely fast streaming of your television. So guys, this is the place where you will have to adjust the display settings for the Jio Hybrid set-top box. Select the auto resolution and it automatically adjusts based on what your TV actually supports. And go ahead and click on keep the changes if you feel that these changes are good enough. And it will apply all the settings that we have made till now, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes of time to adjust everything and set up the initial process. And as you can see, this is the splash screen that is present, and that means we have successfully set up our Jio Hybrid set-top box. And it shows which is the network that we have connected, and here if you want to connect to a different network, you can do that as well, guys. And this is the Jio privacy and end user license agreement. It will actually inform which are the data that will collect from your viewing habits and many other things as such. You will have to accept these license terms and go ahead and make sure that you stop sharing your data over here. And this is the place where it shows your setup is complete. As you guys can see, this is our Jio Hybrid TV, guys. For the first time when you actually set up, there will be an update which comes for your remote, which updates the firmware on our remote and makes the remote even faster and even more intuitive for our usage. So every TV can now be smart TV is the motto of Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box, and it is India's first ever integrated platform that brings together TV shows, movies, videos from popular OTT applications like Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar, Sony Live, ZEE5, Sun Next, and many, many more. And it is actually a real replacement for our traditional cable TVs because it offers more channels than our traditional cable TV using the Jio TV Plus application, which I will be explaining in a few moments of time. The Jio TV Plus is an app which we need to install from the Jio store, which is like a Google Play Store for the Jio TV. As you guys can see, this is the remote of our Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box. It has the power on off button, the mute button, pause and play button, the special colored button for instant access to Jio Cinema, etc. The normal volume up and down button, the channel up and down button, the numerical buttons for navigation inside the Jio TV Plus application, and we also have the record button and also the voice search button since the Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box supports the voice-based navigation also. Before I show you which are the channels that come, let me quickly show you guys the interface and options. We have the remote battery level indicator, we have our profile where we can see our plans, etc. There is the settings where you can see a lot of options like our Wi-Fi, our Bluetooth, the pre-installed apps. It comes with internal storage of 4 gigabytes. There is also something called as Jio Care, which can be used to connect with a service support executive to get some help if you are stuck somewhere. There is also something called as the Jio Net Velocity, which helps us to check our internet speed. And also there are a lot of pre-installed applications which helps us to watch our favorite shows or the movies. As you guys can see, it has detected that I am having the Reliance broadband and it helps me to check my internet speed. And this is the place where it shows all your installed application, guys. It has Discovery, Hotstar, Jio Call, Jio Cinema, Jio Games, News, Jio Browser, Jio TV, Music, My Jio, Photos, Prime Video, Shilpa Shetty, Sony Live, Sun Next, Woot Kids, YouTube, ZEE5. And this is the ZEE5 interface, guys, and all the different live TV channels that this supports is actually played via OTT. That is something that you guys need to remember. It is played directly via OTT and this is not through your local cable TV. And if I go to ZEE5 and set my preferred languages like this, as you can see, I have set my preferred languages, and once I select the language that I want, it will actually show you different channels that comes under those languages. As you can see, I am playing Zee Kannada over here and it directly shows the live Zee Kannada shows. And this is my normal TV interface, guys, and since I have connected to HDMI 3, I'll go to HDMI 3 over here, and once I navigate to HDMI 3, directly it will take me to Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box interface. So this is the Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box interface, guys. Here I will show you everything that you guys need to know before you buy this. So this is the settings and everything that we showed, guys, and we have a lot of apps. Once you go to live TV over here, it will actually does not show you anything because Jio has to collaborate with our local TV operators to provide the live TV or the cable TV channels through the Jio Hybrid Set-Top Box. Right? Since Jio has not collaborated with any of our local cable operators like Hathway or Den or the other cable operators, the live TV will not come. But that doesn't mean that you can't watch the live TV channels on this. There is an app called Jio TV Plus that you need to install. I'll explain you guys in detail, you don't have to worry about that. Before first, let me show you guys that there is Jio Cinema, Jio Savan, Jio Pages, which is a browser, guys. We have Jio Games, which has some stupid games. I don't play those games over here. We have My Jio, guys, where you can see all your plans and your details and everything. Photos, where you can actually browse your photos. There is this app called Jio Call. We have the Jio Store over here. You can actually install a lot of applications via the Jio Store. Basically, this is like our Google Play Store or Apple App Store, guys. Here there are a lot of apps. Let me just quickly go ahead and show you guys how you can install it. Just I'll navigate to this app called MX Player TV. Here MX Player TV, once I click on that, you can actually install this application on your Jio Hybrid Store. There is 4 gigabytes of internal memory, guys. You can uninstall as well if you are actually running out of storage. So as you can see, we have the Disney Plus Hotstar, we have Netflix, we have this Jio Call as well, guys. Actually, you need the webcam to be connected to your television in order to make sure that we place calls using the Jio Call service. So this is just like talking with your friends and family right on your television. Just like how we do the video calls on our phones or on our tablets or on our laptops, right? Just like that, we can do our video calls on the television using the Jio Call application, right? Now we have a lot more applications, guys. As you can see, we have Shilpa Shetty app, we have Z5, based on the internet plan that you have. So if you are having a 1000 rupee plan, 999 rupee plan, a lot of OTT services comes pre-installed. If you are having 1500 rupee plan, even more OTT services comes pre-installed for you. So as you can see, these are the different OTT services and the shows and apps and everything that comes pre-installed. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly show you guys the Jio TV Plus, right? So as you can see, this is the voice support service that is present. If you search for voice support using your remote, it will directly take you to that respective app or show that you are looking for. So I am searching for open YouTube over here, and it will instantly recognize and open the YouTube application that comes pre-installed. YouTube is also present along with our subscription service. Now let's go to live TV using the OTT service using the Jio TV Plus. So this is the Jio TV Plus app, right? Let me click the Jio TV Plus app, which you need to install from the Jio store, which I said earlier. Here you can actually watch every possible cable TV channel that is present. This is not live TV, but it is an alternative to live TV, which will play via the OTT services. This will play via your internet only. It will consume your internet for playing the TV channels. Okay, so this is the interface for Jio TV Plus. There is the home, there is movies, shows, live TV, we have kids, we have music, we have sports, etc. So as you can see, I am navigating to movies. Here you can see a lot of movies that is present, which comes under different OTT platforms for your plan, guys. So whichever plan of the internet that you have, right, based on that, these OTT services gets populated. So there is the shows tab that is present. It shows all the different shows that you like. And there is this live TV, which is most important, right? Because live TV is something that we watch on a regular basis. So as you can see, there is this live, which shows that we are on live TV. So this is the kids tab, guys. Here you can watch all the kids related shows. We have the music tab, and also we have the sports tab. So there is explore by sport. Depending upon your interest, you can watch the sports. So let's come back to the live TV, guys, which this is the most important section. There is the live channels that I have watched previously. These are the live channel guide. So there is channel guide, and also there is this pre-installed categories or predefined categories like sports, entertainment, devotional, movies, infotainment, business, kids, and a lot of different categories are present, guys. Based on the category that you want to watch right now, you can move to the respective category. So we also have the live news channels. We also have the live sports channels, live movie channels, English. We also have the entertainment and lifestyle channels. And also it shows the amount of time that is remaining for that particular show, which is happening on live TV right now, to get over. So as you can see, it says this particular show is getting over in 4 minutes. So because it was 9:26 or something, and it will get over in 9:30. So let's come to this channel guide. So this is the particular place where you will get every specific channel that you need. There is also this timeline which shows which are the different shows that is present over here. As you can see, the channel numbers are also mentioned over there, guys. Now you can also navigate inside this interface using your remote. I am clicking 108. So 108 channel is the DD India. It took me to the DD India channel. Outside the Jio TV Plus interface, the numbers does not get supported, guys. Inside the Jio TV Plus interface, the numbers are supported. As you can see, I'm just showing you that this channel plus channel minus does not work here, guys. You will have to come back and enter a channel or navigate using these buttons. So I'm using the 565 on my remote, and if a channel is present under that number, as you can see, it took me to that respective channel. So here there is multiple language filters, guys, inside the Jio TV Plus. If you are interested in specific language, for example, I want to watch Hindi, English, Kannada, I can put the channel filter. So if I want to watch only Kannada, right, just I want to tick the Kannada. As you can see, only Kannada channels gets populated over here. So Kannada related channels along with their channel numbers are present over here. So you can make a note of the channel number and make sure that you navigate quickly to your respective channel. So if you have put a filter over here, it will remember what filter you had put last time, and it will only show those channels, guys, which is a really cool thing, which I really liked in this Jio TV Plus. So as you can see, there are a lot of Kannada channels that is present, and also there is timeline where you can see which are the next shows that will be coming on this particular channel, which is a really cool thing, guys. As you can see, it shows that at 1 a.m. in the night, this particular show will come or something. And we have the different genres like comedy, devotional, favorites, recent, and many other things as such. I want to show something that is really cool. Some of the channels actually supports the pausing of live TV. As you can see, I'm going to the Sony television network channel. So this is the Sony channel which will be played via the Sony Live OTT. Even if I pause over here, it will actually does not pause. When you play back, it will play back from your live stream only. As you can see, when I played back, it did not play back from that particular place. But unlike Sony, there is this Z network of channels which will actually support the pause of the live TV. Let me go to the Z network of channels, guys. As you can see, this is the Z channel and I am pausing over here, and once I play back after the pause, it will play back from the place where I had actually paused. And if you want to go live, you can use that button of go live and it will adjust as per what is playing right now on that particular channel. So as you can see, there is that go live option. As you can see, there is this search that is present on the left top corner over there, and you can use this search to basically search everything and anything, guys, because this search is really well integrated, and this is one of the best features of this Jio hybrid set-top box. You can search from anything, guys. If you want to search a show, if you want to search a person's name, if you want to search a video name, if you want to search a genre, anything you can search. As you can see, I'm searching for music and it is showing me all the music related channels and all the music related shows that is playing right now. And if you want to search for a specific show, for example, I want to search for Kapil Sharma show or something, I'll just search for Kapil Sharma over here, and as you can see, everything that is related to Kapil Sharma will be present over here. The Kapil Sharma show and the old comedy nights with Kapil show is also present, and all the movies and shows that Kapil Sharma has acted in will also be shown over there. So this search interface or the search function has been made really well, and it is commendable. So also on the remote, there is this record button which actually can be used to record your shows, and you can watch back your shows. So if you are an ardent fan of some particular show or something, you can record it or something like that. Some people had a doubt, like I watched some particular channel on my cable TV, whether that channel comes or not. You don't have to worry, guys. More than 90% of all the channels that is present in traditional TV is covered under Jio hybrid set-top box. So the live TV is present, just that it plays via the OTT services. So I'll also show something that you guys need to know. Just go back to the interface now, and I'll just go back to the main dashboard of the Jio TV. As you can see, this is the main dashboard, right? We have all the categories. Here, our remote does not recognize any buttons, guys. So this is our main dashboard of Jio TV, right? The remote does not recognize any options. So if you want the remote to recognize any option, you will have to go inside the Jio TV Plus. Here, you will have to go to the channel guide. Then your remote actually recognize the numbers. Unlike on our traditional cable TVs, it is easy for our parents to navigate to any channel by just going back or just remembering a number. So generally our parents remember some news channel numbers, like 565 is this particular news, I'll just put 565. That does not work over here. You will have to teach your parents and your grandparents on how to navigate inside this Jio TV Plus. This is one of the disadvantages that I felt, guys. Otherwise, all in all, this is a fantastic feature. More than 90% of all channels that we watch on our cable TV is present, guys. And there is this Jio Cinema, guys, which has some old collection of movies and shows, which is okay. If you want to watch some movies which is specifically present inside Jio Cinema, you can certainly do that. And also there is this music that is present. You can play back music on the Jio Saavn, which is an application which is present pre-installed. Since Jio actually acquired Saavn, all the music services of Jio is provided through Jio Saavn. And actually I have the 999 rupee internet plan, guys, and inside my 999 rupee internet plan, these are the subscriptions that I actually get. So if I actually purchase a 1500 rupee pack, you will also get the Netflix subscription. Basically, this Jio hybrid set-top box is like a one-stop solution for everything. It is like a replacement for your traditional cable television. It will have all your cable TV channels via the Jio TV Plus application, just like how I showed. And also you have all the OTT services from Amazon, Netflix to Hotstar to Sony Live to Z5 to Hoichoi, and there are a lot of channels that is supported on the Jio TV Plus, guys, more than what I was getting on my traditional cable TV. I have actually decided to replace my traditional cable TV with this Jio hybrid set-top box. So I'm just paying 1000 rupees for my internet pack, right? Along with the 150 Mbps of internet connection that I'm getting, I'm also getting this cable TV channels and a lot of OTT services just with the help of this Jio hybrid set-top box. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and amazing content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.